Hi, this is Ms. Todoric, and today we are going to make a multiplication table in Excel. So the first thing you're going to do is insert a picture of a multiplication table to help guide us. So you're going to go up to Insert, Pictures, upload it from your device, and then we're going to move it to the right side of the spreadsheet so then that we can work. So you're going to click inside B3. Actually, before we click on the cell, we're going to adjust the row height and the column height so that they look like squares. So we're going to do a little formatting. So the first thing you want to do is select the entire spreadsheet. So the top left-hand corner, you're going to click on that corner, and that's how you select the entire spreadsheet. Or you can select the rows and go all the way down. And you probably need at least, well, you can select up to 25 rows, that's fine. We just need 12. Or you could do the same way, selecting the columns. Now you're going to put your cursor in between, let's say the 2 and the 3, and adjust it down, and it will tell you how many pixels to make it look like a square. I think mine was about like 59 pixels. Now we're going to start. So we're going to click inside cell B2, and we're going to type the X. Then we're going to type 1, and then the number 2. We're going to select 1 and 2, telling the computer we want 3, 4, 5, 6, the sequence, and then we'll let go. So these are everything we learned as far as copying your cells. So we're going to do the same, but not, oh, my mistake, not in cell C3. We're going to type the number 1 in cell C2, select cells C2 and 3, and then bring it down all the way to 12. Now we want to select the 12 by 12 square, and then we want to format it. I like changing the font size to probably 26. I like to center it, and I also like to bold. Actually, I'm going to unbold the inside and just keep the numbers on the outside. So I'm going to unbold the inside. Now I want to select everything and put borders. So on the formatting toolbar to the left of the paint can, you're going to see borders. You're going to select all borders, and you can even do like an outside border, like thick borders. There's a number of different options. Now for the formula, in cell C3, you're going to type equals B3 times C2. Now this is an absolute reference, so you're going to have to put those dollar signs before the B and after the C. And an absolute reference is just a cell reference that remains the same when the formula is copied or moved to a different cell. And you can also use the F4 key as a keyboard shortcut to do the absolute reference. So you're going to type the dollar signs, and then you're going to hit enter. Then you're going to copy that formula. So you're going to click inside cell C3 and bring it all the way to the right. Then make sure it stays selected, and then you're going to copy it all the way down to the rest of the cells, and then check your work. So 11 times 10, 110, 6 times 6, 36, and then you have the table to the right to just double check the numbers, make sure everything looks good, and it does, which is great. And now if you want, you can go ahead and do some formatting. So now we're going to select a few cells, and we can highlight. We can do light gray, there's yellow, there's a lot of different colors. You can do one cell, a different color. You can even change the font color of the number. So here you'll see our finished multiplication table. I gave it a little style, not too much formatting. I did change the number 16 to like a light pink font. Did a little blue, yellow, and light gray. And then also I clicked on the top. So I selected a bunch of rows on the top. One row. I selected row 1 and a bunch of cells. So I selected those cells. I did merge and center. And then I typed my multiplication table, changed it, the font style, made it large, and I gave it some bold. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Bye.